Rahul Sharma, your friend and guide. I'm back here with a poetry that you are waiting a lot. जी हाँ, वो पोएट्री जिसकी वेट शायद सबसे ज्यादा हो रही थी और कहीं ना कहीं ये पोएट्री सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. आप कहते हो सर पोएट्री क्या है, कैसे करनी है, कैसे कॉन्सेप्ट होंगे, उसके लास्ट मोमेंट पे इस पोएट्री को पढ़ लेना चाहिए या यू नीड टू गो फॉर दिस. अगर आप कहते हो कि सर ऐसे टाइप क्वेश्चन में पोएट्री आती है तो इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें. जी हाँ, if you watch this video till last, you'll be able to write on the answer of this question. आपने कहा सर पोएट्री का नाम we need to know. That was Lycidas. Sir, Lycidas sir लिखी किसने है and who was the one who wrote this? Sir, it was John Milton. जी हाँ, John Milton. And the most important thing that we need to work it out. It's a elegy. Sir, ये elegy क्या होती है सर? अगर मैं सर इसे monody भी कहते हैं. Sir, a poetry that was written in a memory of some dear. The dear who departed. The dear who departed. We need to write down the poetry for that one. अब इसको समझना जरूरी है. कैसे समझेंगे, कौन सी चीजें क्लियर करनी, तो इसके लिए कुछ बोर्ड पे जो आप लिख लेंगे because I'm being really not able to convince each and everything. And then what I'm going to tell you, you guys need to write on that. Because it's not possible to write everything on board. So the other things I'm going to mention. आपने कहा पोएट्री को कैसे समझना है, एलगी क्या है, कैसे वर्कआउट करते हैं, कैसे समझ पाएंगे. कंप्लीट पोएट्री 6 पार्ट्स में बटी हुई है. जी हाँ, इट्स 6 पार्ट. तो ये लिखी किसके लिए थी? ऑन द डेथ ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड. जी हाँ, ऑन द डेथ ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स. उसकी याद में उसने पोएट्री दी जिसको नाम दे दिया लेसिडास. सर नाम दे दिया लेसिडास और फॉर द फ्रेंड, और लिखना नहीं चाहता. ही डोंट वांट टू राइट डाउन. ही मेड द कंप्लीट 6 पार्ट. द फर्स्ट वन द प्रोलॉग, the 4 main parts, and then the last epilogue. जी हाँ, we will begin sum up. अब क्या लिख रहे हैं, क्या चीजें दिमाग में रखनी है, and how we going to deal with that, we need to work it out. The first thing that we need to keep in mind is, if you're watching my channel first time, you need to subscribe it immediately, and then watch till the end. और हाँ, अगर लगे कि हाँ कुछ था जो हमें बेनिफिट हुआ तो do share with others. Please write down the basic points. It is known as a monody, or which is a form of the pastoral elegy that was written in memory of someone dear departed, and then written in 1637. Now, to lament the accidental death of the Edward King, his friend, the accidental death of his friend Edward King by drawing. And then look at here, this one must be inverted commas. The theme of the elegy is mournful or sadly reflective. Yeah, this is something very important और हमें ये करनी ही करनी है. आपने कहा सर थीम क्या है, कैसे वर्कआउट की जाती है, तो थीम ऑफ द एलेजी इज mournful or sadly reflective. The entire poem can be divided into 6 sections. First prologue, 4 main parts, and the epilogue. तो उसके बाद एक आरटीसी आपके लिए मैंने दी है. अगर आपके पास आती है तो आप कैसे वर्कआउट करेंगे ये यहां समझेंगे. उसके बाद जो मैं बोलूंगा वो लिखना है. The first thing, fame is no plant that grows on a mortar soil, nor in the glistening foil, set off to the world, nor in the broad rumor lies. So this is one of the artists from the poem. अब ये आपने कहा सर कौन सी पोएम कितनी लाइंस है, तो अराउंड 194 लाइंस आर देयर. जी हाँ, जिसमें हम बोलते हैं सबसे पहला सेक्शन प्रोलॉग, एंड दैट प्रोलॉग स्टार्ट्स विद लाइन 1 to 24. जी हाँ, लाइन 1 to 24 वी आर हैविंग द प्रोलॉग ऑफ लेसिडास. इस प्रोलॉग में पोएट ने वर्कआउट किया दैट व्हाई ही वाज राइटिंग द पोएट्री, बिकॉज़ ही इज नॉट विलिंग टू राइट. The first thing we need to clear that he was not willing to write a poetry. He was not in mood. He was not in mood to write a poetry, but फिर भी वो लिख रहा है. Why he was writing? He was explaining the reasons that why he is writing the poetry, or the elegy, or the monody, or the pastoral at that moment. That all comes in prologue. जी हाँ, prologue में वो सब बता रहा है कि that why he was writing the poetry, why he was writing Lycidas, what was the reason behind it. Is a memory of something else that really he want to share with the others. And then jump up to the very first section. जी हाँ, section 2 that start from page number 25 goes till 84. Here he describes the type of life. Really, in this phase he describes the type of life he and the Lycidas. He and the Lycidas, they both really was having at Cambridge. वो जो लाइफ थी उनकी, जो उनको मिली कहां पे, दे हैव बीन स्पेंडिंग द लाइफ एट कैम्ब्रिज, एंड हाउ द लाइफ रियली दैट वाज रियली चेंजेस आफ्टर हिज डेथ. अच्छा, लाइफ कैम्ब्रिज में उसके साथ द मेमोरीज दैट ही शेयर्ड, रिफ्लेक्टिव वेज ऑफ मेमोरीज, different shades. He mentioned each and every moment in this particular section from line 25 to 84, where he'll just shown that how they all really spend their life and they study together and really pass out the best moments of their life, and how everything has suddenly changed after the death of Lycidas and lamenting over his death. जी हाँ, this is one of the most important part of the poetry जो हमें समझना है. तो आपने कहा सर फर्स्ट हाफ इट इज अ प्रोलॉग, ही वाज टेलिंग यू व्हाई ही वाज राइटिंग दैट पोएट्री. द सेकंड वन, द वेरी फर्स्ट पार्ट, हियर ही हैड मेंशन्ड दैट एवरीथिंग गोज गुड बट इन मेमोरीज when he lost his friend everything had been changed. And then jump up to the very next part, section 3rd. जी हाँ, section 3rd, that's from 85 line 185 to 131. From line 85 to 131 आपने बोला सर 3 पार्ट किया आपने. First goes 1 to 24, second goes 25 to 84, and third 85 to 131. Here we need to know that what he was trying to describe the procession of morons. जी हाँ, the procession of morons lamenting on the death of Lycidas and how they all been gathered over there. और क्या चल रहा है, what was going on over there when they all get the news that the Lycidas was being passed out, accidental death. Really it was a name that was being given to his own friend Lycidas, and how things are changing. Why the monks being standing at one place, and what was the procession that was going on? He had mentioned that clearly, and that is really important. And then jump up to the section 4. The section 4, you need to remember the lines too. Please, are you writing, guys? This is something very important. The first one starts from the 1 to 24, second 25 to 84, third 85 to 131, and now 132 to 164. जी हाँ, this is something more we need to remember. Here he had mentioned, really here the poet had mentioned the importance of Lycidas. The importance of the Lycidas and for the people in their memories. It's just like the flowers. The one who was really very important to them. The one who was having a vital importance in the heart of everyone. The memory, why they've been lamenting for the Lycidas. ये सब हाईलाइट किया आपने. बोला सर सेक्शंस को क्लियर करना जरूरी है. 5 सेक्शंस हैं हमारे पास जिनको डील करना था हमने. एंड देन हाउ दे ऑल गोज ऑन, एंड द लास्ट वन, द फर्स्ट वन प्रोलॉग that goes from 1 to 24. आपको ऑन टिप चाहिए लाइन 1 to 24. the second one goes with the introduction of memories. जी हाँ, memories shades, अलग अलग shades, 25 to 84, and then 85 to 131. यहाँ पे आप लोग memories, and then the first आपने बोला प्रोलॉग को मेंशन किया, देन द मेमोरीज, एंड देन विल गो टू द प्रोसेशन. जी हाँ, द प्रोसेशन. देन हियर अगेन पीपल लमेंटिंग, and then jump up to the next part, that is all about the last phase. जी हाँ, the last phase. Here he had mentioned about his. Right on, please. In this phase from line 165 to 184, he had mentioned his beliefs in immortality, that the grief and the other tongues are just temporary, they can move on. The one never dies, he was always there with you in your memories. So here this part, the last section, works out the immortality, the thoughts of the poet. This what we need to work out. This is something very important. How you people do this, और क्या changes हैं जिनको समझना जरूरी है, कैसे ग्रैब करेंगे, what are the basic things. किन को दिमाग में रखना है, एंड देन जंप अप टू द लास्ट फेज। जी हाँ, 185 to 193 lines you need to clear. Now here what we need to work it out, here he had mentioned everything, making a sum up of all the memories। जी हाँ, सारी की सारी चीजों को सम अप कर रहा हो, so that's an epilogue जो हमें क्लियर करना जरूरी है। आपने बोला here last sum up of memories, this what you have to know for Lycidas। जी हाँ, इसको शॉर्ट और ब्रीफ में समझ सकते हैं इन 6 पार्ट्स के अंदर। आपने कहा हाउ दे ऑल आर वर्किंग, कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर करना है, कैसे समझ सकते हैं आप। Hopefully through this video you get clear about the mess of Lycidas। Till for more you need to watch। Keep working hard. Those who are having exam tomorrow, wish you all the very best।